two types. Mm, um, Squeeze some lemon, loaded with some sour cream. Mm. Mm. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm here again with a new YouTube vlog, and this one is again a food vlog. So we are in a mall in Frankfurt, and there's this restaurant called Frittenwerk. They have a chain of restaurants all over Germany, and they are basically into fries. So they prepare all kinds of fries with toppings. So we thought of ordering from the poutine menu. Poutine, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but poutine is a Canadian dish which is fries with different types of, fillings, like different types of sauces and guacamole and chicken, loaded chicken fries, and I think all of those come under the definition of poutine. So we thought of trying some poutine here. So we ordered two things. One is the Tijuana street fries, which is basically sour cream, guacamole, tomatoes on fries, and I think it's gonna taste divine because I've had something like that before as well. We also ordered the chicken barbecue poutine, so I'm really excited to try that one. We took the non-spicy one because we wanted to actually try it the way the Europeans do. So this is the ambience of written work. Really good ambience. It's mostly known for their fries. So I'll show you the menu. This is the menu. I ordered the Tijuana street fries as I told you before, and my husband ordered the barbecue chicken poutine. And you can also get regular fries here. You can see that they have already made fries and kept it there. The order is already here, so I'll show you how it looks. This is the chicken barbecue poutine, which cost us around €10.50. This is how it looks. So I think the fries are topped with mustard sauce, some onions, and chicken barbecue balls, I think. Trying the chicken barbecue poutine. This is the dish that my husband ordered. Okay, this doesn't taste like barbecue chicken. It tastes like chicken nuggets. Maybe I think by chicken barbecue poutine, I think they meant the sauce. Maybe they just put the barbecue sauce and called it the chicken barbecue poutine. Now let's just try the fries, which has mustard sauce, barbecue sauce, and some coleslaw on top of the whole fries. The fries aren't bad, but I had poutine before, and I like that poutine a bit more than this one. But let's try one more. Hmm. The sauces are good, but it tastes like normal fries and with barbecue sauce. Let me try it with the coleslaw. It's pretty normal, so I'm gonna rate this a 4 out of 10 because I was expecting a bit more from the barbecue chicken poutine. This is the Tijuana street fries poutine. So it's fries with tomato, sour cream, and guacamole, and some lemon on the sides. And this is how it looks. It cost us around €9.90. Now let's try my order, which is the Tijuana street fries poutine with sour cream, guacamole, and tomato on top of fries. So first, let's squeeze some lemon on top of the fries, and let's take a fry loaded with some sour cream. and guacamole. Okay, that's good. Not bad. Refreshing. Mm, it's really tasty. The tomatoes are really fresh. I'll take one more fry. This time I'm gonna take guacamole more compared to the sour cream. I did manage to get some. Yeah. Sour cream is the main ingredient here in this dish, for me at least. I'm gonna rate this 5.5 out of 10 because of, as I said, I have had better poutine, and this is not something that feels homemade, but it's not bad compared to the chicken barbecue poutine. This one's better for me at least. And for the price point, I think in Frankfurt everything is expensive, so getting some fries for 10 euros is kind of considered affordable, not very very expensive, with loaded fries I mean. So not a bad deal. So that's it. That was very small vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching me review two types of poutine. And if you did, and if you want to watch more of such videos, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.